Welcome to DHS Informatics. In this video, we are going to see the demonstration on subject evaluation using NLP technique. NLP means Natural Language Processing, and this project is based on AI. It is Artificial Intelligence. This project helps us to know the individual marks of the student based on the answer given by them. We are inspired from the paper titled as Subjective Answers Evaluation Using Machine Learning and Natural Language Processing. It is an IEEE paper which is published in the year 2021. In DHS, we are going to develop a project with two techniques, one with Jupyter Notebook and another with Flask. Jupyter Notebook is in backend and Flask is in frontend. This is how the Jupyter Notebook will look like. First, we are loading the data. The first is questions and the answers for that particular questions, and student 1 answer and student 2 answer. These are our data set. And we will apply data pre-processing technique, that is NLP, and this is the result part of the particular project. As you can see, in one column questions are there and in other column answers are there, marks of each student 1 score and student 2 score. Student 1 has got 4.915 for the total marks 5. That means that is the score of the student 1, and student 2 is 4.905. These marks is assigned based on the answers given by them. Student 1 answer will compare with the original answer and the score will be given. Student 2 answer is compared with the original answer and the marks will be assigned for that particular answer. Like this project will work. This is about the backend. Here you can see totally for 50 marks, student 1 got 39 marks, and for student 2 for 50 he got 34 marks. Now we will see the front end part. This is how the front end part look like. First we need to register. For registration we need to enter the first name, after that the last name, and we need to create one mail ID, and we need to type the city here and select the country. After that we need to create password for this and click on registration. After this, login form will open. We need to give the mail ID along with the password which has been created and click on login. Now we have to upload the 4 files here. One is question file, original answer file, student 1 answer and student 2 answers. First we will upload the question file. I am uploading question file. After that, answer, the file which consists of original answer. After that, student 1 answer, and student 2 answer, and I will click on submit here. The mission prediction, that means for marks 50, total marks 50, student 1 got 39 seconds. For marks 50, student 2 got 34 marks totally. This is the mission flexion. This is about the front end part. In DHS Informatics, we are giving the project to very reasonable price and help you until the last phase of a project review. So you can contact us at 9845166723 or 9886692401. We will also help you in the installation support along with the PPT, and we will provide you quality report. For more details, you can WhatsApp us or you can come into office. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.